What is up guys, welcome back to another fresh new video. So a few weeks ago I got this pouch and inside it I got an amazing stuff to show you guys. I'm making this video, so let's get started. So it's just an unusual art supply I have ever seen before. I have no idea how to use this, but let me find out something. Alright, after some research I got that it is to shake like this and you can mount a pencil or any art supply like this. So let's make something. So I thought of using this marker, but it's not getting inside it, so I'm going to use this one. If you want to see my videos daily, then go and subscribe right now, because I'm posting videos daily and I don't want you to miss. This thing is really amazing. I have ever tried before. First, doing the basic layer, then with the details. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need this channel, then make sure to subscribe, give a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye, take care.